Hey, how's it going, YouTube? I'm going to start today with showing you how to build one of these clamps for this table that I made. This is a piece of Blanchard ground steel that I got. I got the table complete, but I then later put the holes in it so it would fit these clamps from, these are strong hand clamps meant for the Build Pro table. But these clamps are relatively expensive if you want to buy a lot of them. So I started off making these clamps, just cutting up old C-clamps and then welding a washer onto them and then having a piece of 5/8 round stock to fit inside these holes. And that works alright, but I made a few of these and they started to break. So I decided to make one of these. And this is a clamp I bought for relatively inexpensive, and then I machined this piece and then welded it onto here. And it fits inside these holes, which are 5/8 of an inch. So they're 625. These are machined down to I think about 622, 623. So today I'm going to go through the process showing you how to make this particular clamp so you don't have to buy one like this if you have a table to fit these clamps. So what I'm doing here is cutting up the 1 1/8 inch solid round material for the portion of the clamp that goes into the table. Cutting this at about 2.5 inches. Check the fit up of this machine piece. See, actually it's still a little tight, so I think I'm going to go back on the lathe and machine this down just a little bit more so we can get a nice slip fit like this one. Okay, so I'm back to the lathe. We finished machining this piece, and we see it slips in the table just fine. So now, let's cut up this clamp here, section off a section of it. Alright, let's go in, we can section this portion off. Okay, now we're at the belt sander. I'm just going to come in and knock off the edges on here so it'll fit inside the hole that I'm about to machine. A little deburring on this part. that concludes the clamp build today. Thank you guys for watching. And if you wanted to do this project yourself, pretty basic. I mean, if you want to do some quality metalworking, you really do need a solid fabrication table. And before I got this, I wasn't as confident as I am now. So this has really stepped up my business and my quality of work tremendously. So give it a shot and see where it takes you. Thanks.